Hey fashion lovers, join me, let's make this beautiful braided headband. You can see how beautiful it looks. It is best worn with a boo-boo gown, as you can see on this video. So join me, let's dive into the process. So I began by folding my fabric into two, and the measurements I used for cutting this is 28 inches by 6 inches because I want it really big. So I'm cutting 3 long stripes of 28 inches by 6 inches. So after cutting, I'm going to use this one and cut another two using a plain fabric. The reason I use 28 inches long is because I want to put an elastic band at the back so that it can fit every size. So I'm going to be using 2 stripes of plain fabric and 1 stripe of flourish fabric. The fabric I'm using here is Mikado, but you can feel free to use any fabric of your choice. So I'm going to cut another piece of fabric, and I'm using 10 inches for the length, and for the width I'm going to use 4 inches. So that's 2 inches on fold. So at the end it is 10 inches by 4 inches. So this piece is what we are going to use for the elastic band at the back of this headband. So I'm going to fold it into two and stitch. Same with the other pieces. I'm going to stitch the open side. So I'm going to take it to the machine and do the stitching. So this is it after stitching. I've already turned it out, and I'm going to use this fiber to fill all these stripes. You can easily get fiber from your old furniture, from teddy bears, old pillows, and even old blankets. So I'm going to stuff it inside, and then I'll use my scissors to push it in. But I realized the scissors was too short, so I'm going to use a screwdriver, a longer screwdriver, to push the fiber inside. So I'm going to push it inside and continue filling. So I'm going to fill all these 3 stripes. But while filling, make sure not to make it too stiff. I fill and arrange it to still be soft That means don't fill it too much and make it to be too tight, because it has to still be flexible. So after filling all the three, I'm going to join them together like so. Make sure it is smooth. So this line that I sewed, I'm going to send it under so it doesn't show at the top of the headband. So I'm going to join these three and stitch them together. So I've stitched one side and I'm going to begin the braiding. Just braid as you see me doing. As you can see, I'm not making it too tight because I want it flexible. And on this side, I'm going to arrange it together and also stitch. So after stitching, I go ahead and arrange it again. And now it's okay. So the next thing now is to attach the elastic band at the back. So I'm going to measure the length it's giving so that I know the length of elastic to attach at the back. Take note that when you braid it, the length reduces. So the total length gave me 20 inches. So I'm going to attach an elastic band of 4 inches to help hold it at the back. So I'm going to wrap this piece of fabric around the edges like so. After that, I'll place my elastic band on it and I'll stitch it. After stitching, I'm going to flip it over so that the elastic band goes inside. And I'm going to do the same for the other side. So just watch keenly because this part is very important. Once you do it like this, it comes out very neatly. So I wrap the fabric again around the other side, and I also attach my elastic band on it and I stitch it. So after stitching, I'm going to flip it over as well, and then one side will remain open. So the next thing I'll do is to close the open side. So I'm going to fold it inside and then I'll top stitch to close it up. So I'm going to take it to the machine to finish it up. So this is our headband, neatly sewn, looking so beautiful. You can see the elastic can increase the size to any size of head. So this is one size fits all. So this is a headband looking beautiful, and it matches so well with boo-boo gowns. Thank you for watching. If this content has been useful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And stay tuned for more interesting videos on this channel. Please also turn on your notification so that you get notified whenever I post new content. Thank you.